today's video I'm doing another makeup tutorial. This is inspired by papaya, the fruit, but I don't think it looks like papaya, but basically this is orange makeup look with green in the corner. So yeah, if you wanna know how to get this, so keep on watching. Start from the eyes. I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skintone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eyelid. Then after that, I just set the eyeshadow base with the powder so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Now moving on into the eyeshadow, I'm taking Violet Force X Rally palette. I'm taking this shade called Pre Spot and just put it on my crease as my transition color. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my crease again as a transition color, but it's like build up color, if you know what I mean, little by little. Then after that, I'm taking this darkest orange and just put it on the other corner and blending it to the crease to darkening up the look. Then after that, I'm taking this shimmery orange shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Then after that, I'm taking this dark brown matte shade and just put it on the outer corner and kinda blending it to the crease, but not much, to darkening up the outer corner. Now it's time for eyeliner. I'm taking this black matte shade from the same palette and just make wing eyeliner like always with this eyeshadow. Then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop eye definer in the shade black and just put it on my tight line to make my lashes look fuller. Now it's time for lashes. I'm taking my eyelash curler and just curl my lashes. Then after that, I'm taking my mascara and just put it on my upper lashes. Now moving on into the face, I'm taking my primer and just put it all over my face. I mainly put it on the center of my face and just blending it all out. Time to do the foundation. I'm taking the Body Shop Moisture Foundation and just put it all over my face using buffing brush parallel technique to buff this foundation. To concealer, I'm using my concealer and just highlighting my face. I put it under my eye and I put it on the center of my nose. I put it on my chin and forehead, and yeah, just blending it all out. Then after that, I just set the concealer with the powder. I don't really set all over my face because I don't like look matte. Now it's time for the bronzer. I'm taking my matte bronzer and just bronzing up my face. I don't really contour with this because I don't really feel like contouring. Now it's time for the blush. I'm taking Milani Beckett blush in the shade Coralina and just put it all over my cheek. And now for the highlight, I'm using the liquid highlighter and just highlighting the place that I want to highlight. Now back to the eyes, I'm taking this shade from the same palette and just put it all over my lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this green shimmer shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as well to tone down the green shade. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I'm using the same eye definer by the Body Shop and just put it on my waterline to define my eyes. Time for the lower lashes. I'm using some mascara on my lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking orange lip crayon and just put it all over my lips. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me on my video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.